Gates open and they are racing for the second race of the afternoon, which is the Secret Love handicap. Evenly dispatched in the gates by all the runners, but as they settling down to race, there's a rush to the lead with Ivy on the outside. On the inside is Alicante. These two about 2 lengths in front. Footloose is in third. On the inside there's Passionate. Another 3.5 lengths away is Queen Bee as they go well past the 800 meter marker. A gap of 2.5 lengths away Queen Bee. There's Transcendent being tracked on the outside of Leandro as they're now at the 600. A gap of 5 lengths away, there comes Jacqueline Postal. A gap of 3 lengths away is the top-rated combined operation as they start to negotiate the turn and straight enough for the final run. Round the turn and into the straight, and it's Ivy down in the center, comes in on first. Passionate gets a lovely opening on the inside running. Footloose is the one galloping off strongly on the very one outside, then comes Transcendent, and it's Passionate down in the center. On the outside there's Ivy, then comes Footloose. Transcendent is beginning to warm up on the inside. It's Passionate still about a length in front of Ivy and Footloose. Passionate from Ivy. Passionate having gets it from Ivy, then came Transcendent, then came Leandro. Footloose